Oh,
Here we
there's
go.
50.
Here we
This is
go.
good.
Here we go. Here we go. Bang, bang,
Yep.
bang, 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 bang.
If I offended you,
I ain't fucking apologizing. Suck my dick. Fuck you.
There it goes. 8 for 8 on the day. I'm done. All right, log off. Get real. Pages to love. You know the rules, and so do I. She was very nice. Okay. She was very nice. Whoa, I'm not being a dick. I'm not being a dick here. She was very nice. Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy Big Daddy Max with the one and only Mr. Llama Llama Rip Pajama. It's Thursday, April 17th, and there's no trading tomorrow, Llama, because of Good Friday. So today is technically Friday. So that might impact the price action. It might not. Who knows? Who cares? Big Daddy plans to catch a bag anyway, Llama. You hear me?
I heard you. And I respect that.
Llama, you heard me? Like we're just kind of sitting in this range right now. So
Right, range bound.
Big Daddy's just
Range bound.
patiently waiting.
ES is popping up and NQ is going down, both doing complete opposites.
Right. I'm watching SPX right now. That thing is just headed towards planet down.
SPX is going down too. Why is my ES going up?
I'm watching SPX. That thing's going down.
Oh, weird.
Okay. Oh, we're breaking some range to the south right now. There's a pop back up. There's some buyers down there, but we are breaking some range to the south.
Oh, ES is still bullish. NQ is giving a move. This is very, very conflicting. I hate when they both do opposite.
Right. I think the short looks good on that range break right there. The short looks good. Let's see how it continues. That short look good. The short look real good. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Damn, look at that short. That thing is dropping like a brick. The thing is dropping like a brick. Now I'm watching tech pop back up. Watch the retracement now, Llama. I'm watching tech pop back up. Watch the retracey.
I got area of interest down at 411, but I do have a session sweep at 375.
375. Okay. SPX dumping right towards gap fill.
Where's 11 twice? Wasn't he longing before pre-market?
I don't know. That boy just got cooked.
That boy 11 gone.
Hey, he 11 twice, as in 2 times he need to reload that prop.
Right.
Twice.
Make sure you use code P2P there, Jimmy.
I know that right. Yeah, the short looks good. Watching SPX, no signs of life. Heading on down the fucking gap fill town.
Nvidia red on the day, Apple green on the day, Tesla green on the day, Meta green on the day.
Yeah, tech definitely looking at a little bounce there. You know, tech got smoked yesterday, fucking big time.
I told you didn't even want to hear what the news was.
What was the news?
Bro, China banned Nvidia chips. That crashes the market. That's a billion motherfuckers not buying chips.
Not really crashed the market. I mean, Nvidia AI bubbles have kind of been in the way down.
Type shit. Yeah, I fed up. But you know that's still crazy news though. Like they said you can't send the Nvidia chips to China so they can't replicate them. Kind of crazy.
There goes the short, the break of that range, 50 fucking points right there, baby. Monster move.
Yeah. I had the top tick over here pre-market. Getting close to one of my fib levels, but I'm not interested in it until I see a session sweepers and
yeah, I'm gonna be patient. I mean, the dump be dumping, boy. That thing looks good. That dump just be dumping. SPX looking for that gap fill. I mean, we got only about 70, 60, 70 more cents to go on that gap fill. So I mean, you might see just a quick poppity pop down, and then let's get to trading, baby. Let's get some orb rocking.
We've gap filled already on NQ and ES. Interesting.
Let's get some orb rocking.
There's a 786 perfect bounce, but I want to see if it doesn't just stop there.
You see SPX going green, but NQ's still just dumping.
Yeah.
SPX
typically when it does that, I try to see what's the target, and I feel like there is a target on just a little low. To see just like a pop wick out rect. OMG, we're in.
This short is just a beautiful short.
Yeah, the short is shorting.
Oh, I gotta log into my broker. Get ready for some options. Oh, I gotta log into my broker and get ready to sell some motherfucking options. Beautiful.
Look at Bunny. 480 on that short after that fucking clinic last night.
Who put on a Bunny? Who put on a clinic last night? Who busted it down for all 100 and something students? Llama, I snapped last night, boy.
Bro, you know that I forgot you were doing that and I was passed out.
Yeah, I know you did, dumbass. A lot of people were like, "Where's Llama?" And I was like, "It doesn't matter. He's gay." You know,
bro, call my Jack next time, bro. I was out, sleep.
My boy. Hey.
My body crashed on me. You know how that shit goes. It was like 6 o'clock, bro. I woke up at 9 confused. Look at this perfect body closure. Wozers off the 786. That's interesting.
Oh, that looks neat. That looks interesting for a potential 3-bar down, or it might head to the north, There's good risk to reward. There's good risk to reward.
If it's gonna pop, it can go to 460.
Right.
30 points.
Let's see what happens here. This is the first potential test. There's a good risk to reward here on this. Well, not really. Not really.
The candle's too thick. You're risking 30 points to make 30 points. I'm not.
Right. There goes the potential 3-bar
There goes
down.
11 twice back in the chat. Longy wongy, buddy. You're gonna have to reset in about 20 minutes.
Yeah, my boy said longy wongy, and it is dumpy wumpy.
This shit dumpy wumpy, my boy. You're looking like a cookathon.
Yeah, I mean, if the candle flips for you, then shit, I might jump on it with you, player. Hold on. Let's watch this potential right here. Maybe if it climbs above 25-ish, could be a good long, could be a decent long here. I might jump in if it gets above that 25, llama. It needs to pop up. It needs to pop up to that 25, but if not, I mean, you're gonna see a dumper, boy. Let's see what happens here. We are definitely
orb. This is a small orb. The past couple of weeks, we've had a 300-point orb. We're only
right.
120 points. It's not that bad. It's still a decent sized orb.
Right. Oh, it's getting ready to continue down, possibly.
I want to see if it can print through 786, then it can fall here. But those bodies respecting only makes me think it can operate.
Very bearish.
Gotta fall after this print through, right? I'm still looking for this 370 area to get swept. No way we get a closure over the fucking fib again. Oh, that's so bullish.
It's just straight in the range right now. Nothing's bullish or bearish. I mean, we're clearly rounded out. Just gonna wait patiently. Be the sniper that I motherfucking am. The killer that I absolutely am.
While we're here waiting, what I ate yesterday, bro?
Everything. Absolutely everything.
You know what's funny is I knew you were gonna say that. I knew you were gonna say everything. That's the funniest part. But
boy, you didn't know nothing, player.
I be knowing. So bro, there's this spot out here. I don't know if you know about the real trenches out here in Carroll City.
Carroll City.
You know about Carroll City? Yeah. You know, one of the highest murder capitals. They got this spot called World Famous, and they sell egg rolls out that bit. Crazy egg rolls. I'm talking about crazy, like I'm talking about serious business egg rolls with everything, like whatever you think. Hibachi egg rolls, birria egg rolls, Philly
the newer low.
I'm still waiting for this 370. All types of egg rolls, bro. I got a chicken and waffle egg roll and a hibachi egg roll, bro. Them shits were ridiculous.
Yeah, egg roll places are popping up. I see a bunch of the egg roll food trucks popping up. The big ones are the Philly cheesesteak.
It's because it's easy, bro. Like when I first tried that shit, like 3 years ago before trading, bro, I was like, I'm about to open an egg roll spot.
Them Philly cheesesteak egg rolls will be going crazy.
Yeah. It was kind of ridiculous. ES finally tapping the fib.
Yeah, I think ES, SPX, I think it's just got a little bit more low to go.
Right.
Nothing. NQ.
The licking not that good, bro. I live right next to the licking.
NQ trying to get back in the range right now. That's the first kind of bullishness, but not really. I mean, it's like a weak fucking confluence. Weak as hell, boy.
Yeah, 786. Perfect.
Off of it. Yeah, here comes a potential 3-bar down to a newer low right here. Just cruising on down. Right. If it pops up, I'll probably try and take a little scalp at a range break long, but it's dog shit.
I'm not going for that, bro. Every time I try to take a long before the session sweep, it takes me out and hits the session sweep.
Right.
I'm fucking waiting for.
You're right.
Bro, my fucking trash can is loaded with water bottles.
Okay, if this breaks above, hold on. If this breaks above 24, I might take a stab at the long llama. If it breaks above 24,
for sure you can take it. I think it can go up to 60, but I'm not.
Right. No, I'll just wait for it to. I want it to get above 24. I'm looking for SPX to get above 87. 87 on SPX. That's the real right here. Here we go. Come on. Once it gets above 87, we might get that push to 89. That's what I'm looking for right there, something like that. Let's get above 89. If SPX gets above 80, breaks that 90, I'm definitely going long. Here comes 24 on NQ. I'll be looking at it. Definitely gonna be looking. Bang. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take the long. I'm gonna try and go for the scalp.
That joint.
Okay, we're moving.
Take that joint. That shit got your name on. That shit has your name all over it.
We got some juice. Okay, we got some juice. Okay, we got some juice.
5-minute midline here.
We're moving, boy. We're moving. Hold on, player. We're moving. We're doing real nice right here. Keep on
If it
going.
breaks this,
Break
you
that
can go
fucking 30.
60.
Break that 93. Break that 93. Break the 93. Come on. I'm moving my stop loss all the way up to 30. Here we go. Moving my stop loss all the way up to 35. Bang. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Bang, 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 bang,
You
bang,
can go
bang,
to 60, 55.
Ready? Move your stop loss all the way up to 35. Move your stop loss all the way up to 35. And let's see the continuation. Don't you push through fucking 96 SPX. Don't you push through it. Stop loss going to 30. Stop loss. Move your stop loss to 36. Stop loss at 36. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Hold on.
Here. We got a
bang. I'm tapped. I'm tapped. I'm tapped. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.
Good trade, Maxie. Good trade.
Thank you, my boy. Now I'm watching a potential 3-bar off of this orb midline. Watch this orb midline. Now, if this thing hits a treasy up to the skeezy, we going litty by the skitty is give it a ditty.
Wow.
All right, let me get the first one on. That was a banger, boy. That was about tree. That was about tree K. Okay, we're looking for this 3-bar on SPX here. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Looking for the 3-bar on SPX.
Give a perfect tap of the 786.
Oh, beautiful. Here comes. There's the 3-bar on SPX. Going, NQ re-entry, possibly right there at the 40, bang at the 40, bang at the 40. It's up 15 points, bang at the 40, yeah, at the 40, yeah. Look at that tree, yeah, look at that tree. Where's my students from last night? Where's all my motherfucking Mastermind students? You don't need me anymore. Congratulations. You don't need me anymore.
Bitch, my head that reverse.
Hey, Darth, I'm done calling out. I'm done trading live, Darth. You don't need me anymore. Darth said, yo, chill.
Darth said, whoa, chill, dude.
Darth, whoa, chill, my boy.
Chill, my geyser.
All right, we're testing the SPX midline right now. Definitely some relative weakness on NQ. So I'm watching NQ, Llama. There's some definite relative weakness. We're popping up over this previous candle here. I like this breakout a lot. Hold on. I might try and take a stab. If this holds, I might try and take a stab.
Wait, 11 twice said short. Yeah, this shit's going long.
He said short it. SPX is failing midline, so we need to see that pop up. If that candle don't pop up, it's fucking cooked. Hold on, let's see what happens here.
Caesars.
Let's see what happens here. SPX is dropping. NQ showing some relative weakness. NQ is definitely showing some relative weakness. SPX needs to reclaim that midline ASAP. It needs to reclaim that midline ASAP, Rocky. If it don't, it's probably going to drop back down towards that gap fill. Towards that gap fill,
bro. I'm still waiting on that 370. I'm just still waiting on it. My boy Philly said down 18,000, buddy. Lock the fuck in. Like, what the fuck? He got to be trolling though. He's for sure trolling. I don't believe Phil Lee.
Who's Philly?
No, it's not Philly. It's Phil Dash Lee.
Oh, he's talking about the chart. He's talking about the chart, Loma.
Oh, my fault, Twinifer.
SPX definitely weak, bro. I mean, and NQ NQ definitely weak. And the fact that SPX popped below that midline, the rejection there, Lama.
Nasty job. IM is in a nasty job.
Yeah, this next candle don't go.
Bro, honestly.
I'm gonna look for a 3-bar short potential. I'm gonna go short here, Llama. I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go short right here. Okay. I like that 3-bar short or low. I'm gonna hold this to lows. I'm gonna try and hold this all the way to lows.
Hold this till 370, Max.
I'm gonna hold this. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Yep.
There it goes. Oh my God. 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 I mean, I'm up 25, 30 points. I'm up 30 points on this short, and it's just ripping to the short side. It's just going. It's just skibbity dip dip bibbity bop. Skibbity bop. I'm trimming a little bit of profit here. That was the easiest 30 points of my life. Holy short. That was the easiest 30 points of my life. I got a stop loss at 90. Holding the short.
Tapped it, but it didn't sweep it.
Tap. Beautiful trade. That was another couple thousand on account right there. Watching SPX to break this fucking orb.
And huge tap over the low, but not a sweepage. What does that mean? We have equal lows down there now? Nah, bro, I'm not convinced. I need to see another downside move. There's no way I take a long now.
That was nasty work. Hey, that was some nasty work, boys. We 2 for 2. Big Daddy's killing the motherfucking game, son. That short was clean.
Yeah,
hey, that short was clean as a motherfucker, boy. boy.
Pretty easy short.
Gold all in my chain. Gold all. I'm about to go short again, Llama. I think it's going to retrace. If this candle flips, I'm going short again.
For me,
if this
we have
candle
no
flips,
reason to go back up until we sweep these. We have equal lows. They're literally like we tapped the same low. They're literally.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh, but we didn't take the low on ES.
Oh, we know take the low ES.
Yo, you can't. You know we got Orientals in the chat.
My bad.
You know we got Orientals in the chat.
Yeah, my bad. My bad. How come we don't ever bring up a bunch of Asian dudes?
We did. No, we remember that one day we brought up like 3 Asians.
Right.
Like back to back, like bam, like hello, come again, like back to back.
And Q getting bullish on us.
I said Orientals is racist. What am I supposed to call them?
You can't say Orientals?
What the fuck do you mean? What am I supposed to call them? Llama more racist than Mac. That might be true.
I can't believe you said that shit, bro. Seriously.
Orientals? I can't say that?
No, bro. They are Asians and Asian Americans.
Using the term Oriental to refer to people of Asian descent is generally considered offensive. Damn.
Ooh. Damn. Offensive like a motherfucker, boy.
Right,
offensive.
I'm not gonna lie. Look,
like a motherfucker.
If I offended you,
I ain't fucking apologizing. Suck my dick. Fuck you.
If you got offended, you're gay. If you got offended, you're gay. If you got offended, you're gay.
Right. And you know we bumping Kanye after this.
Hey, yo, this is a W pattern playing out nicely on NQ. The beautiful W. If it breaks the neckline up here, structure high, this thing's gonna go, boy. Look at that rippity, skippity, boo bop. Jesus. I rode that short all the way down, and I didn't see it. I didn't see confirmations for this long, Llama. There was no real confirmations to take this long for me.
Nothing here. Nothing.
All right, we're just pop that SPX midline yet again right here.
Can the Latinos get some love in this joint? You know we love them YCs, them young Chicos.
Young Chicos.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Chicos is the term that I wish that I'd never seen a Mexican up there, but we had 3 Mexicans up here in one day. Why is this guy named Mexican Beaner? Fuck.
Who?
This guy, his name is Mexican Beaner.
Here's the break of structure. Here's the break of structure. There's the neckline break at 50. Here comes the long. Here comes the long.
This was the area I wanted to see a good time with.
Oh my god. Bro, this thing's going to 18.5. This thing's going to 18.5.
I'm not convinced. I think this might be the next area till it dumps back down.
This thing's going to 18.5, Llama. You think it's going down? This torpedo's going to 18.5, Llama. SPX just took 5,300. SPX just took 5,300. And Q showing relative strength. This thing is going up to 18.5, Llama. Here, watch. Touch the top of orb. As soon as SPX touches and breaks the top of that orb, NQ going to 18.5. Boy, look at that neckline break. Look at that neckline break.
Let's see here, Maximus. This guy said they don't respect us Mexicans. They just take our Latinas and deport us. Buddy, they get deported too.
I respect Mexicans a lot. Seriously, they do. They're the hardest work.
You see how like you can't get that, like you see, like you couldn't say they're good people. Look at this. Look at this.
Hardest workers is a good compliment. That's a compliment.
OMG.
Listen, we know you're not the hardest worker, fat ass. You're fucking sitting in your chair for 14 hours a day. You're not a hard worker. So when you say it like that,
you're doing what? I'm sitting in my chair doing what? Working. I don't get outworked here. Tell you that.
Get outworked. Here comes the 18.5, boy. SPX, beautiful break midline, print through, 3-bar to the upside. Here comes that 18.5 PT.
You think so, Maxi? Do you?
I just feel like it's going to 18.5, my boy. Dier with 25 bands. Dier with 25.
No, cool, Dier. Bro, Dier, we've tried to get her on stage like 4 times. She doesn't want to get up here. Dier, when are you getting on stage? You make 20K with this.
She's fake news, bro. No, she's fake news, bro.
Nah.
She's fake news,
right now. I'm bringing her up. Dier, you have one opportunity. How's it go? Once in a lifetime. You better. Are we going for the 18.5 here?
I'm thinking we're going to that 18.5.
She's not coming up, bro. She's trolling us. She's not coming up. Do we break here? Do we get that 18.5? Do we get that 18.5, Maxi?
Saying it.
I'm right here. All right, get on stage, Dier. Stop. Ooh.
Oh, no. Dier.
Gotta go.
What's up, girl? Turn that camera.
Get your camera on.
I'm not doing that. It's 6:53. I'm back in bed.
Back in bed? You made 20 bands and got back in bed?
For this.
Put your glasses on, girl. Come on.
Put on the Versace's.
No.
She says she got up at 6:53. She made 20 bands
and up to
in
5
20 minutes.
I do my pre-market stuff and I go back to bed when I'm 7.
Oh my God, Dier. All right, look, if you're not gonna get the cameras on, you gotta answer a few questions. The
Let's
chat
go.
is dying to know. I just keep reading this question. Are you single?
I'm married.
Married? What does your husband do for work? Because you make 20 bands a
He's the
day.
owner operator actually. So
Owner operator. What does that mean?
He's a trucker. He has a
What we
trucking
just hit,
company.
Llama?
Oh, he
just
got
hit,
a
Llama?
trucking company.
What we just hit?
Oh, the 18.5. We're gonna dump
And
from
we
here.
broke that orb. So if this breaks, you know we going high, so high.
See
And
this here.
I'm so high.
All right, Donnie. Next question here. Someone said, "Do you cheat?"
Do
Obviously
you
not, guys.
cheat?
Be
Wow.
respectful.
Who caught that long
Be
all the way to
respectful, guys.
18.5?
No.
Who just caught that long all the way to 18.5?
Yeah, there's people in the chat got it. Donnie, next question. I remember you had DM'd me asking for my dentist. Did you end up getting in contact?
No, I didn't go yet, but your teeth, I love your teeth. So I'm considering it.
You do love his teeth?
My teeth are nice now, but I'm considering
But
veneers.
you're rich now. The difference is whether or not you have nice teeth. You're rich, so you gotta get
Right. That's
perfect
when you get
teeth.
the veneers, right?
Exactly.
Right,
Nobody wants
right,
nice
right.
teeth. You want perfect teeth.
Right.
I'll tell you one thing. Look, there's the reversal. I've bought a lot of not a lot, but I had my fair share of purchasing.
Yeah, I might like the
materialistic
short.
things.
I might like the short, Llama. If SPX can break below, especially if it breaks below 5,300, I would definitely take a stab if SPX can get below that 5,300.
So what I was saying
let's
was,
see if SPX can drop below that 53 or not.
just take the
Definitely
sell right
want
now.
to wait.
So you're good. Just take it.
Hold on, no, because it's right by the top of orb. We need confirmation, Llama. I need confirmation, cuz.
That confirmation, but just take that shit. Don't be a bitch.
Nah, cuz I need confirmation. This shit in the reverse, cuz. Here we go.
You don't talk like that.
Definitely need that confirmation.
Yeah, we need confirmation. I need a newer low right here. Come on, let's get that newer Leezy so I can smoke a Bleezy.
Baddie, especially because she makes 20K a day, right?
Oh, no, but that's not how it's always. Well, I started profitable when I was doing options, but then my husband got sick. He had a colon cancer scare, so I had to use that to take care
Sorry
of
to hear
him.
that. There it goes.
Yeah, but
There
we
it
had to use
goes.
to take
There's the
care of
reverse
him.
candle. Hold on. I'm in. Whoa.
You jumper send?
I'm in, boy. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm in. Whoa. Hold on. I'm up 20 points. I'm up 15. I'm moving my stop loss into break even right now. Moving my stop loss to break even. My initial entry is 64. 64. And wait.
Pretty easy.
All right, I'm tapped. Wait, no. Oh, no, we ain't tapped. Come on.
I saw 63. Yeah, you got lucky.
Come on,
there.
you ugly ass boy. Come on, you ugly ass. Drop. Come on. Here comes the absolute skibbity dop. There it goes. Come on.
I mean, bro, that's pretty easy sell, guys. Pretty easy.
I want
sell.
bring me to the orb midline, please. Bring me to orb midline, please.
I think it goes all the way to
SPX. All right, SPX just needs to clear. There's that 5,300 break that I just mentioned before. 5,300 break looks good. 5,300 break looks good. We're riding, baby. We're riding. Come on down, SPX. If SPX gives up that 98, if SPX gives up that 98, we're big money right now. SPX gives up 98, we're big money right now. Let's go. There it goes. Big Daddy Max doesn't lose. Holding the short. Moving my stop loss all the way down. To 47. 47.
I won this 47. Stop loss? Oh,
47. Yeah, 447.
I'm up 300 on the pros.
Let's go. Keep it going short, baby. 3 for 3, guys. 3 for 3. I'm tapped. 3 for 3.
I had mine at 49. Well, Danye, look, it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure. Next time we need cameras on. We would love to actually get some insights on someone that's printing 10 to 20K a day with us.
I know your camera's on too early.
Right.
Danye, listen. Danye, I think you're about that bullshit. I'm gonna be honest with you. You pissed me off. Seriously. I think that bullshit.
What's that bullshit?
You on that bullshit, Danye.
Because I won't turn my camera on?
Yes, you're too rich to turn your camera on.
All I care about are my numbers. What does the camera have to do with anything?
This is a television show, Danye. This is a show.
It's a show. Everything we do here is for entertainment purposes. We are
Everything
not financial
we do is
advisors.
for entertainment purposes, Danye.
Right.
We are not financial advisors, Danye.
Right.
You know everything we do is for entertainment purposes. You
All
know
I'm worried about are my numbers.
I like that reversal now, boy. I like that reversal.
All right, guys.
All right,
Well,
Donnie,
thank you, Dante.
Lovely
We appreciate you.
Get in contact with my dentist. Tell them you know me, and they'll give you a good price. And
Okay, I sure will.
You will be astounded with the work.
Thanks. Alrighty.
All right, Donnie. Get your ass on my stage.
Have a good week. Have a good week, and have a good weekend, Donnie. She about that bullshit.
She wears short skirts. I jumped in a celly. I think that I sniped it.
Wait, you're in a celly right now?
I'm in a celly. What the helly? Right wrist full of baguettes. Oh my god, I sniped.
Good.
I'm up 100 ticks in 1 minute. I think I'm about to close this shit.
Good. I don't see it.
500 on the prezies.
Llama wears short skirts. Llama wears t-shirts.
Llama's up 500, and I think I'm gonna close it. Even though it can 70, I think I might hold this for 100.
Llama's 500 about it. He's gonna close it. I like the short too, Llama. I like the short too, Llama.
600, bro. I'm in this bitch, and if it goes, it's gonna go, bro. This is a thick
waiting for some confirmations, I'm waiting for some confirmations, blood.
I hate when the candles are this thick, bro. It pisses me off.
Llama wears short skirts and he wears t-shirts.
I knew I should have closed that shit.
Wow, that was wiki. That was wiki. That's a 3-bar up. I'm looking at the long now. I'm looking at the long breakout here. Oh yeah, I'm looking at that long.
Yucky.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Loving the look on this long right here. There she goes. There she goes. Hold on.
It still keeps skyrocketing. I'm just not too convinced.
I like the break of orb here on SPX. I'm gonna probably scale in on the break of orb. If we break that orb, I'm gonna scale up and in. I'm gonna scale up and in. If we get through, come on SPX, just push through, baby. There it goes. There it goes. Just push a little higher. There it goes. Push a little higher. There it goes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Stop loss at break even on the push up. Stop loss at break even on that push up. Come on. A lot of sellers right up there. A lot of sellers.
7 ACZs.
Here we go.
Outside over 7 ACZs, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna.
All right, I'm tapped. That was a nice little trade. I'm tapped. That was nice. Here comes the orb, SPX orb. I'm getting ready to go long again. Oh, wait. Getting ready to go long.
I'm not gonna lie. I can't jump in along with those equal those.
Need SPX to candle flip.
Not convinced. Gang delicious.
That was a nice little scalp.
Gangland. Not convinced. Gangland.
Man, listen, I'm fucking 4 for 4 right now. Can we get a profit roll call? Let me see that.
Look at that boy Perkins in the chat. Boy Perkins up 800.
Let's go, my boy Perkins. Let me get the profit roll call. Llama, can you hit this for me, please? My throat hurt.
Profit roll call. We got 300 from Sky. We got about 300, 900, 302, 605, 612 from Wolf. 765 from Oman. We got, god damn, it's too fast. I can't read that fast, guys. 1300 from Kuka. You know what that means. 615 from Wit. We got about 1300, 113 from Mr. Black. We got 475 from Caden. We got about 295. We got about 425, 415, 425, 1600 from Tall Walton. We got, wow, King Nasty, 4500 X2, he said. 3500 from Jay Tato with the black eye from his girlfriend. Cyan said, blown account. You got to lock in 20 for $100 on the 25K eval from 100. We got 375 from Jimbo. We got Griff with $1,200. Phil Dash Lee said billions and billions. V said $1,200. Matthew posted a picture. His picture says 2,200 on the Combine account. We got about 745 from Blue. We got 31,000 from Darth. $31,000 from Darth Trades. One of the students killing the fucking game here. He is actually very ugly too. It's kind of impressive. 1,400 from Derek. 365 from Stevie. Jeremy with a 574. Wealth Builder up $1,200. 1,500 from AD. 2,800 from Logan. One of the dumbest people. Oh my god, we're selling because I'm doing this fucking dumbass shit and I'm missing my fucking sell.
We sell hard, boy. Structure break sell.
I told you we're not. I'm not convinced on the buy, bro. I was not convinced on the buy, bro.
Hey, you did good, my boy. You did good.
This shit. Wow. Everyone's first question is, how many cons do you trade? I'm pretty sure Darth jumps in with 10 minis at a time.
At least 10.
Everyone's question: how many cons, guys? Stop trying to compare yourself to somebody else because they're on different journeys. He's probably doing 5 to 7 cons. Yeah, you guys do that, you're fucking cooked. Darth, I have a question. If you were to lose your pro accounts, would you care? Honest question.
Hell yeah.
I'm thinking probably not. I'm on cash now. Yeah, he's killing the game. Simple as that. Midline tap here, very interesting. Yes, still on outside of orb. I like this reversal.
I kind of like the short here, Llama. I kind of like the short more than the long. If this 3 bars down, I really like the freaking short here, Llama. Easy. There it goes. Here goes that 3 bar down.
One of my pros. I have
beautiful
my other
3 bar down. Beautiful 3 bar down. I want to see it continue. Just need SPX to come on down a little bit. SPX is the one holding some pressure. Come on, SPX. No confirmation.
I think I might jump here with a prior candle high up there. See if this can.
Llama wears shorts. Llama wears t-shirts. Llama's cheer captain, and he's on the bleachers.
Right. literally.
Darth is king degen.
Going berserk. Yeah.
Darth has one secret that he told me. He told me one secret that he's never told anyone before.
What is he?
Let's see. Let's get him up here, guys. Let's get the king of win, Darth Trades, up here. Let's see if he will disclose his great secret to everybody. Let's see. $31,000 on the day. There's one great secret. Are we going to break orb on this one, Llama? Is this the orb break we've been waiting for or no?
I hope so. NQ is showing weakness. It's at midline. Like it's been inside
NQ
orb.
is definitely showing weakness, but right now SPX is looking for that pop up. It's so close. There's good risk.
I hate it.
It's tough. It's tough. We're in a very tough spot. You just got to be patient here.
I'm in the celly and I'm down 70 Tikaruskis. I'm down 180, 170 rolling here. And
What are you in a short?
I'm in the short.
Big Daddy Darth looking cleaned up. Look at this guy. He's fucking.
Let's
He's
come back
looking.
to
Look at this
Mexico,
guy.
of course.
Look at this guy.
Oh,
There's the short.
what is that?
It's from Mexico.
What is that candle?
That's a big old dumper. You're in that short though.
Oh, yes, I'm in that short. I'm up 5-6. Oh my god, it's rolling right now. What do I do here?
I don't know.
Dynasty.
Llama. It looks good. I'm about to jump on that short with you, Llama. That shit looks good, player.
I'm taking this shit
That
to
shit
7.
looks
I'm
good.
telling y'all, 75. 75 is TP's.
That shit looks good, Llama.
75 is gonna be T Pizzle for
There
me.
it goes. There it goes.
Right here. Might even partial out of these pro accounts because they're up 700. Yeah, I'm partialing out. I clicked the button. It didn't take me out. That's a sign I'm holding.
Look at that. Look at that short, Llama. Look at that break in midline. And this is a max A plus short, Llama. This is a max A plus short. Oh, Llama, scale. Don't partial. Don't partial. Scale, Llama, scale.
I got in these too. I'm a DJ.
It's gonna take me out.
Oh my god, look at the short here. Final price target. Hold on, wait, hold to newer lows, Llama. Hold the newer lows.
I'm holding for it, bro. That's where my
hold the short. Hold the short. Big Daddy Llama coming crazy.
Let's go.
200 tickies.
There goes. There goes.
There goes. Hold on.
Wait, Darth, you're in this too?
Yeah, I'm a DJ.
Oh my god, Darth, you're an idiot. Triple lows here, potential. Triple lows here.
I got wicked though. I'm out.
I'm still in
Darth,
this shit.
what are you up on the day?
3,400. I only made 1,000 on that. I went in light, just doing it because I felt I wanted to join. Didn't need to be part of it.
We wear short skirts. We're up some chicken. We just fucking sniped it, and Darth is gay.
Darth,
talk to us. So, how was your trip, brother? Did you have a great trip? How much did you make on your trip? 100,000.
How was it? How was the trip?
Yeah, I was in Mexico. It was dope. I don't know. I didn't add up what I made, but it was probably like 65K.
Ridiculous.
Wow.
Life-changing money, Darth. Life-changing money.
Yeah, that's insane.
Especially at a hotel in Mexico. It's crazy.
Right, how was the Wi-Fi? Was the
Not great.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Scary when you
It was
jump
hard.
in?
It was scary. Yeah, it's tough. I
Yeah, you
didn't
jump
do
in
5
and
to
it's
7
fucking
every day.
lagging. Oh man, that's scary work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate that.
I went down on that. The first day I did it, and I was like, "Oh, this is too scary." It's like all
I
over
like
the
another
place.
short here for lows, Llama. I like a potential another short here for lows just on this 3-bar breakdown. 3-bar breakdown, Llama. I like it. I like it, Llama. I'm watching SPX. I want to see it dump. Now NQ showing a little bit of strength, but it just needs to take out lows. If NQ can just take out lows, this thing is gonna go down.
Here is take a parsh.
Take a parshki, pop back up.
Probably take a
retracement. NQ with a big wick retracement. Yeah.
I think what I'm gonna do there is
SPX lagging balls.
Parshki break even and then same lows.
That was a big old wiki. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yep, and Parshki'd right on.
Oh my god.
Very
Let's
good.
see if SPX can break that midline again. Not gonna fuck with no pop up like that. It wants to fill that fucking
range. Still alive here with the Wiccan flip. We're still alive here.
Oh, that's a Wiccan flip.
We need to go now. We need to go now. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna trail that body. I'm gonna trail that body.
Right. Trail that body.
We should not break that body now. If we
Bring
get
that body
to the bottom side, we should get a continuation.
I'm in that thing, boy.
We can print here. We get a continuation to the downside, guys. This is
looking for it. I'm looking for it.
Oh, the body. Does it Wiccan flip and fucking pull me out? It took me out before even going up there. That's sickening. I still have one runner on this pro account.
All the people want to know, Darth. All the people want to know. This looks good. Darth, I know your secret. Your super special secret. I know what it is. Do you want to tell the people your secret is?
I mean, should I? Do people want to know? Should we tell them? Should we
wants
let them know
everything about you?
They want to know, Darth. They really want to know the secret.
NFA?
I'm still holding this on one account.
It's not financial advice. Nothing we do is financial advice. We are just here for entertainment purposes, of course. Let me actually get the partner promos out real quick. Let me get the partner promos out. The Baghdaddy Morning Show is live. Please support us, guys. Support us with our partner promos here.
But it's low though.
If Max says it's gonna go, so take it.
Llama, where's that
That's the big
1099?
secret.
What do you mean?
That's
What do
the
you mean?
secret. There's nothing more. There's nothing more to it. That's the secret.
10.99.
Made me lots of
Beautiful
money.
bounce off of the orb midline here. The long looks really good now, Llama. Now the long's starting to look good. If we can press up here, oh yeah, there it goes. If we can press up there, that long is looking good, boy. I like that. I love the look of this long right here. Oh my lord. Oh my lordy. There it goes. Bang.
One
Hold
bando,
on.
coach.
Bang. Look at the long here. That actually might be the one that gets us up to that orb. If we just need a break over 59. Just need a break over that 59.
You got to see here though.
Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna take it. I'm not gonna take it. I think there's an MVG. I think there's an MVG. There is. There's an MVG. I'm not gonna take the long.
I think what I'm gonna do is leave my
Terrible.
pro alone. It's a bando on the pro ski. I can withdraw. That way, coach pay to play with the midline top sell off. Very good, coach. Very good. Very good.
Looking good.
I still think it goes down. I think it goes down, my boys.
Let's see. I think it's going to drop a little bit. We're going to see a retracement to the MVG, which is going to be 95. The MVG is going to get hit right here. Max value gap. The max value gap is undefeated.
What do y'all use for news? I look at Forex Factory is what I look at.
Hey, where's my fucking students at, boy? Hey, where's my students at? Yo, this is crazy work. I'm fucking 5 for 5 right now.
There's a dumper. I mean, this was pretty simple work here, guys. It's on the chart. You know, top side here, midline here. We still have these lows. I keep telling you, these lows are gonna get taken. I don't know why people
are they though?
I don't think so. I don't
are
think
they
so,
though?
Guys
SPX midline seems to be okay. Now we have a little bit of drop here. Yeah. This drop looks good. Hold on, this looks good, Llama.
They look good from the top 50
there was
points.
a beautiful
50 points in profit when I said it.
Watch SPX off that midline of orb. This could be the Dumparoscu. This could be a Dumparoscu.
They're asking what's Darth's sauce. He said it. He said when Max says it's gonna go, that means it's gonna go.
Our secret sauce is all he does is follow the Max way. And when I call out a trade that I feel is interesting for me, Darth just happens to think it's interesting for him as well.
Jumps. Simple.
He literally just follows the Max way.
I mean, I did. The only class I've ever taken to learn how to trade was the Max way. So
the only class Darth ever needed. And you know what? Listen, no, it's good because Darth, listen, and when I'm in law enforcement and some jobs, a lot of up echelon people will tell you when you hire someone who's been in the field previously, but you guys do things differently, they'll tell you that it's easier to hire someone who knows nothing and you can train them the right way with your brand than having to try and retrain a motherfucker who's stuck in 10 years, their own ways for so long. So you're the perfect student because you knew nothing. You knew nothing about it. Now you're a full-time professional trader, absolutely banking. One thing I do want to clarify, Darth, these futures profits are being rolled back over to the option selling, right?
Oh, facts. Yeah.
My fucking
and I'm actually in the point where I am saving. I'm almost at where I'm about to buy a new house.
Congratulations. Holy fuck. That's awesome, my dude. Congrats.
Yeah, I bought a piece of property and we're designing the house right now.
W's for the Darth. Listen, the chat loves you because you're the fucking whale that's hitting all these bangers. But buying a house with
just your liquidity.
Bro, my boy learned the Max way and is buying a fucking crib. Watch this 3-bar down on SPX, Llama, off of fucking
it's insane.
A+ setup to the short right here, Llama. A+ setup to the short right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm going to jump on it. Oh my God. I'm going to jump on it. Oh my God. I'm going to jump on it. Oh my God. I jumped on it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm already at 15 points. I'm about to scale. Okay. I'm going to scale 10 points right here.
375, bro. I'm telling you.
Oh, the short. That was A+. I had to take it. I didn't want to do it, guys. I had to take it. It's going. Take out the lows and Q. Come on, take out those
lows, and then it's gonna long.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna put a stop at break even, which is just around 400. Stop at break even, which is just around 400. I want to see a continuation candle right here. There it goes. This is the one that breaks the lows. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Moving stop loss all the way down to 94. Moving stop loss down to 94. And it tapped me. Maybe a little too tight there. Maybe I got a little too excited. Too tight, Maxie. Too tight. It's just too tight.
Perfect little Sully off the 236, sir.
This is going down to lows. There's no fucking way it doesn't test these lows. I mean, it did.
Bro, I've been saying it's gonna 35 minutes already.
It's gonna break these lows.
That's where it's going.
Guys, I have to log off. I went 7 for 7.
You've been killing it. You've been on a roll.
I am on the fucking heater of all heaters, my boy Darth. Nobody can do the max way like me. Well, obviously I'm max, but the max way. You should, Darth, were you at the Q&A last night?
Oh, I didn't catch it. I was just coming back from my
Oh
flight.
my God, bro. I put on a fucking clinic for my students. I was teaching them and showing them on the after hours, and I was hitting banger after banger.
Damn.
It was
Damn,
like,
they are
guys,
lucky. Holy
bro,
crap.
calling all my shots, calling everything. Look at this potential 3Z. Look, here comes. Give
Yeah,
him
if
the
this
low
breaks
break.
out, my goodness.
76 is fucked. Here comes break 76. I'm telling you right now, it's going. 76 is fucked. I've been calling it. Here's another max way, perfect play. I showed the students this exact fucking play last night. Oh my God, it's the most perfect short. Show me that 75. You got to go, player. 75, you got to go, player. Get ready, get set, and retracement.
All the way back up.
Yeah, all the way back up. Fuck you,
Wait,
Max.
Into you. No tears.
Boom, 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 boom. Full PT hit. Full PT hit. Boom, 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 boom.
Man,
Easy.
that one up here was just so free.
Easy.
Bro. This one
Light
should have
work.
been jumped. I should have jumped at this one.
Now the
So
rejection back
free.
in the orb, Llama. The rejection back in the orb here. This is a good
now is
risk
when
to
I can
reward
look for a
multiple.
buy. The whole day I've been selling. The
I
whole
would go
day.
long here. I would go long here. This is a good risk to reward just on a long, and all you have to do is hold it for previous lows. I mean, you can hold it, and if previous lows break, you're talking about like 7 points right now. 7 points. And if you go micros, who cares? You go micros on it, who cares? You need
What's
to
a
just see
micro?
SPX. Micro. That's
I'm
a
kidding.
that is a type of contract
That's fucked up.
where you play a lot less size, Darth. You don't know what that means. There's some good. Oh no, unless that 3-bar plays out. Oh no, SPX. If this candle flips on SPX though, if SPX reclaims 83, Llama, then you're about to see a pop up. You're about to see a major pop up. Let's see. Oh no, a Dumperooski.
I haven't wanted buys the whole day. I've been selling the whole day because I wanted these lows.
Yeah,
now is the
you've been
only
killing
time
it.
I get interested in buys.
You've been killing it. Here's a clean print through orb, and this thing is sailing to the south, baby. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to see if it pops back up into orb. That's very bullish, very, very bullish. Might look to fucking even enter along. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not interested. But if it does break back into orb, there's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move, and that would be something, huh? That would be something. Or it's gonna go clean to that fucking that gap fill. Let's see what happens here. This is make or break. This is make or break right here. SPX hurting outside of orb, hurting. Next structure for NQ, it's got to get all the way back up into the 80s. It's got to get all the way back up into the 80s. All right. There goes the break. Boom. There goes the lows. Llama and I have been talking about all damn day.
Yes, still has its low down here.
Nasty work. Unless this thing pops back into orb, it's cooked. It's cooked. Oh, hold on. It's moving. NQ's just so weak. So weak. Weird. The max way equals profit way. The max way. Big Daddy Russ, y'all made me too much money yesterday, and I had to come back and make more. He made some more bread. Here comes a pop up.
The orb top. I want to see if it can break in.
Here comes the orb tap. This is the big break. There it goes. There goes that fucking orb break. Very nice. Very nice. There's a good one. There it goes. That's the long tap. Llama wears short shorts. Llama wears t-shirts. Llama's cheer captain and Llama's on the bleachers.
Way too tight.
Look at the long.
Oh my God.
Beautiful. There's a break of structure of that 88. If SPX gets over 83, 84, there it goes.
Oh.
There it goes.
Okay,
there it goes.
Wow. Let's go.
There it goes. Oh, move your stops up all the way to 87. Move the stops up to 87. Tap.
Out.
8 for 8 on the day. I'm done. All right, log off. Get real.
I think it retabs this. This
40K.
bro. Interesting off the retab.
You guys want to know what's so fucked up about today? You guys want to know what's so fucked up about today, Llama?
Talk to me.
Darth, you hit 40?
Yeah, I took that short with, or took that long with you.
What's your account at now?
40,360.
Sheesh. This looks good.
I am so proud of you, my boy.
I saw 40, so I got out of it a little early, but 40.
No, you're good. You're good, my guy. I mean, if you saw $40,000, I'd probably get out of it too.
Yeah, I caught 25 on that quick little scalp in there.
You want to know the most fucked up thing right now?
What?
You guys want to hear this? Llama.
Talk to me.
Llama.
Talk to me.
I'm going to post it. It's very upsetting, Llama. You guys want to know? I mean, I had a killer day. I killed it today. There's no denying I absolutely snapped. But I only traded micros. No, I only traded MNQs, 2 contracts.
Why 2? You could be jumping in with at least 5. I do 5
Bro,
at
I
least
only
when
did
I
2
scale.
contracts, and I did 2, 3, and 1. Look at this, bro. I only made like I made $2,000, so it's an amazing fucking day. I went 8 for 8. I scaled down heavy, bro. I scaled down today because I taught my students last night about risk management, size management, and emotional management. So I wanted to lead by example today, and I wanted to come in and do this whole presentation on I traded micros and made 2K. I'm disgusted.
I needed that.
I went 8 for 8, but I wanted to lead by example, and I kept preaching to them. The biggest thing I could tell y'all is to size the fuck down. And if I was trading my minis, boy, I would be up. What is that? 10x?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck. I'm happy as shit with 2 bands. These are pro accounts. I'm happy as fuck with 2 bands. But I want to lead by example for my students. Everything I taught last night, everything I fucking taught last night, I put into play today. I did it for a purpose because I want to lead by example, always from the front, not one of these pussy furus who's gonna just make wild claims and not show that shit day in and fucking day out. I want to live it and breathe it for all my students, just like my boy Darth motherfucking Trades up top.
Thank you.
Get your rich ass off the computer. I'm serious. Get the fuck off the computer.
Okay.
Turn it off.
Stop.
No, I want you to literally turn it off and disconnect right now.
All right.
Turn it off.
All right. It's gone.
Have a good weekend. You're still here.
Right.
Why are you still here?
Well,
Turn
I'm
it
on my
off.
phone.
No. Yeah, go on your phone and go in your fucking living room, bro. What are you doing
here?
Get
the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, Darth. No, seriously, I'll ban you if you don't disconnect in 10, 9,
all right. Don't ban me.
7,
He said, don't ban me.
What am I going to do?
4, 3, 2. Get your ass off. Hey, enjoy your weekend, bitch. You sexy motherfucker. Sexy ass, bitch. Damn, my mic's coming loose. All that power coming out of my voice. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I fucking cooked. Llama, I fucking cooked it. Yo, I fucking cooked this week, chat.
Yeah, you went kind of berserk.
I kind of went off this week.
You went kind of berserk. Kind of obnoxious.
8 for 8. And then the other day I had an 11 for 11. I probably hit like 30 or 40 green trades and maybe like 5 or 6 wick outs this week.
I wonder if it's going to pop. Kind of want to see now ES take the low, but that's what I was waiting for yesterday.
I hate everything about you. I love you. I hate everything about you. You know that one, Llama? You know that one?
Yeah, I do know that one actually.
You know what show makes me really happy? You know my family, you know my wife and my family, where my wife works with children with autism, and we run a big charities for children with autism, and we're very tied to that community.
The low here.
And the what a dumper. Here comes the SPX gap fill and pull through. Beautiful dumper. Llama's been screaming it all day.
I'll tell you one thing, Maximus.
What?
I'm in this bit.
What I was saying, real quick, Llama. I don't know if anyone's watching the show. Love on the Spectrum. Love on the Spectrum is one of the most happy TV shows. It just makes you feel good that I've ever seen. I fucking love that show. I love what they're doing, and it's unbelievable how happy that show makes me. That shit makes me happier than a motherfucker, boy. Also, if y'all ain't got my orb indicator, you're fucking cracked, my boy. Look at the reversal signal at the top. Shit, we had only 2 signals today. Only 2 reversals. Only 2 reversals. Unbelievable.
If it pops back up from here and out, then that'll be interesting. Definitely take it if it pops back up.
Well, SPX has no sign of popping back up. The trend down is pretty aggressive. I would say that you're only, and then yesterday's V shape. I'm going to be honest with you. I think SPX could drop all the way down to like 47.50 today, Llama. I do think there could be some deep red in the market today.
Could be. I mean, yesterday, bro. Did you see yesterday? It was down 800 points at one point. At one point, it was down 800 on the day. Honestly, fully closed that sell after this. So this right here was a pretty easy sell with the break and retest, and I still wanted this low that I've been calling. And I closed it, and now it's still continuing to bleed.
Your boy been snapping. I ain't fucking capping. Big Daddy Max be trapping.
Do you?
And then before pre-market, I get to fapping.
Right.
You know I fucking, and you know I like to be rapping.
Oh, break.
Yeah, look at the continuation. It's just a good follow through. Now, me and Llama have been saying that there's relative weakness on NQ all day long. calling. We've been calling relative
selling
weakness
the whole day. I didn't take
all
one buy.
day.
I didn't take not one buy. Selling the whole entire day. Whole entire day. The only time I would take a buy is now. Once we sweep these lows, the only way I will take a buy.
Let me lean back. Let me lean back, Llama, because I'm carrying 1,300 motherfucking people to success. So my back's starting to hurt a little bit. You heard me? Hey, I'm carrying 1,300 people to success every goddamn morning. So my back's starting to give out a little bit. You heard me?
You're just ran the PCs like that.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if SPX literally came all the way back down to like the 47.50. I'm telling you, it might drop like really hard right now. I just keep fucking saying it. Guys, if you want to learn how to trade like me, first of all, stop fucking DMing me. You're not going to get through, right? If you want to learn how to trade like me, buy the futures course. Buy the futures course. Go become Darth Trades. If you want to be Darth Trades, go be Darth Trades. You can buy either one. The Mastermind is the max way. Futures 1 is the max way. Plus Llama, the Llama way, and special guests and live trading. It's 2 different libraries. It's 2 different libraries. And if you buy the Mastermind first, you can always upgrade to the Futures 1. It is what it is.
It's just tanking, my boy. I can't believe I closed that shit.
I told you not to. I just said SPX may plummet.
I was gone before that. I was out way before that.
Well, you be fucking soft ass hands, boy. You got soft ass hands. You ain't never worked a day in your life, boy. Look at them soft ass hands. Soft ass hands, boy. You ain't never worked a day in your life, God. Sissy boy, you got them soft ass hands. Ain't never worked a day in your life. I think I just came to the realization that I might be the dopest motherfucker in the game, Llama. You know, oh, Llama's on the phone. Fucking shocker. Llama's
I'm
on
off the phone, brother. I'm off the phone. I was trying to get my
shocker. What are you trying to get? Your fucking Uber Eats order? Wouldn't be surprised when the plate fucking comes. Ball Dan, come on. Guys on the fucking phone.
Dan literally texted me and said, get some shit for your taxes. So I made that call.
Bro, don't act like fucking Ball Dan's the reason you just took that phone call. Don't blame it on my brother. Don't blame my fucking brother, Ball Dan, bitch. Hey, Dan, you're a piece of shit, by the way. You guys hit me for a fucking heavy tax payment yesterday, dumbass. I didn't get no notification or nothing. I looked at my account. I thought I got fucking fraudulent or some shit happened. My boy fucking hit me. He hit me for that heavy block of tax pay. I forgot that shit's on. I forgot he's got full control over my shit. Dan fucking, he took a chunk out my shit, Llama.
I mean, bro, you're rich as fuck. What do you expect, bro? You make hella fucking bread.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm making hella bread on this futures trading, bro. This is my best year ever. This is my best year ever. I think I'm like a diamond, dog. I think I just do well under the pressure in front of everyone. I'm an entertainer. I'm a very extroverted retard. The ADHD, I think it all just thrives behind the camera. Seriously, I think I just thrive behind the camera and fucking I'm just crushing it. And I feel so fucking good right now. You know, I'm on that fucking Clonzo. You guys know I had to get my Adderall fucking popped up. You know, they said the dosage I was on wasn't working anymore, and I needed to fucking get a little bit more bath salts in my system. So they fucking upgraded my shit. I got double the salt. Hey, put my Adderall on a steak and watch it make the most beautiful crust, Llama, because they got me so salted up right now. No, it's not instant release. It's that extended release, dog. I got that good shit. My shit be lasting all day. You heard that, ladies?
You heard that,
lady?
20 or 30.
Only need the max way. So which one would you, for the max way, you just need the futures course. It's the $1,300 option. Futures course is on $1,299.
Max, I didn't even tell you.
Can I have a sale? Can I have a sale on the futures course?
You could definitely, because I'm gonna
have a sale. You know what? I'm going to throw a sale out right now. The first time ever, I'm going to do a sale on the futures course, Llama. What do you think about that?
Go ahead. I'm about to drop my course. I have one more video to do, and then it's fully completed. I've been adding shit to my course for the past 4 months. Just been adding, and I'm pretty content with how it's coming out.
Here we go. I'm going to do a sale, Llama. I'm feeling so good. I'm going to do a sale for the first time.
Why don't you just drop a link for like the first 10 people? First 10 people to jump in.
You drop a link for the first 10 people?
Give it like 10, 20 uses. Oh yeah, my shit's almost done, bro.
Set up a code. I've never set up a promo code before. What do we do? Let's do 5 people.
This is blue line I have here. Why do we bounce perfectly? Oh, it was the low and now it's equal lows.
Here we go. I gotta try, and I'm telling you, it's just gonna dump.
Yeah, we could definitely still go to 240 though. 240, correct.
5 people. Future score sale. Only 5 people.
Do Llama don't fuck with me. What does that even? Trade more wiser. Who is this guy? What do you mean I don't fuck with you? Fuck with everybody.
All right.
Fuck with everybody, my boy. No, they said 240 for the the course? Hell no. 240 for the course? No. Price is going 240. My course will never be under $1,000, honestly.
All right. I got it. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. All right, this is going right into the fucking chat. Are we ready for the Futures Mastermind, Llama? 50% off, 50? 5 people. 50% off for 5 people. 50% off, Llama, for 5 people. Okay, you ready? Wild. I'm juiced up right now, my boy. I'm juiced up. You ready?
Llama said I'm buying too.
Here we go. Here we go. On your mark. Get set. Get him, boy. Pages to love. You know the rules, and so do I. From any other guy, I wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Understand, never gonna.
Wow. Desert you. That song is a hit, bro. How much you think he made off that song?
Dumbass boys. I ain't never gonna give a sale on my shit. Boy, I can't. I just killed. I ain't never gonna give no sale on my shit. Y'all are crazy, boy.
Right.
I just fucking smoked y'all. I just smoked all of y'all. Everybody do push up. Bro, you can't give a sale on something that's fucking 700 people have already bought. That's not fair. That's not fair. You got to be firm and fair, and I have the best product in the game. My shit is 99% authentic. My shit is that blue. What was it from the Denzel movie? What they call it? Blue Magic?
Which does it, right? He got fucking 1,000 movies.
Blue Man. I got that 99. I got that Walter White.
Heisenberg?
Son. I got that Heisenberg shit. You want to take a futures course that's dog shit? Go pay fucking dog shit money? Go ahead. You want that fucking Walter White?
Ass.
You want that Walter White? You paying full price, player.
I'm going crazy and he's up $18. Hey, that's good work, my boy. That's good work.
Oh shit. Did SPX just hit the 50s?
Yep. Look at this white line. You see this random white line I have here?
Tell me one motherfucking ICT trader. Tell me one fucking ICT trader that's gonna do that.
Oh, look at this random white line. This isn't a Fiblo or anything, guys.
Interesting.
I ain't gonna give that one out. I'm just going to delete. Mark that one out yesterday and we came right to it. That's crazy.
Ashante said, Max, I'm 5'2". I know you're 6'6", but I kind of want to fight you. That's okay. I mean, fair. So
been
fair.
beat up by short people before.
Listen, I can make you profitable. Right. It's not financial advice. But Ashante, have you ever thought of selling that dirty booze? Cleaning it up, getting them feet right, and hitting the dark web type shit.
That boy said, that's crazy. That's crazy work, that boy that I said.
Oh, I'm feeling so good, my boy. I'm telling you, I'm feeling so good. You know, I'm gonna be honest with you, Llama. I'm fitting to bounce. It's a 3-day weekend. I'm not one of these rookie traders. Dog, I'm not one of these rookie traders that fucking love sitting here all day over trading and giving back profits and blowing their account. I'm working a 9 to 5 right now, dog. This is my job. This is my career, Llama. I take this shit very serious.
Yeah.
And guess what? We have a 3-day weekend, my boy. I'm Teb, you piece of shit. Why you post the hot dogs? What the fuck?
Right. It's kind of fucked up.
I got a 9 to 5. This is my job. I don't want to be at my job. I love you guys. I do, but I don't want to be at my job. I want to go fuck off. You know what I'm saying? I want to go do some other shit. So
yo,
I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I'm not trying to be here. I'm trying to fucking.
Yo, we getting active this weekend?
I'm gonna be in Tampa this weekend for Easter with my brother.
Tampa.
My brother Jimmy, my brother older Jimmy. You know Jimmy. Jimmy comes in here. Jimmy, I'm gonna be in Tampa. I'm gonna be in Tampa for Jimmy.
Man, who's this little comes over here? Cindy, the sniper with 6 bands on the day.
Who's a little thickums?
I'm kidding. I don't know if she's thick or not. I just felt like
Well,
complimenting
let's
her.
find out. Shit, hey, let's find out. Cindy the Sniper, why don't you come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show? Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. I don't understand how guys wear glasses that are so dark indoors. I fucking hate it. I
Bro, they
literally
be in the
drives
club
me
with
nuts.
glasses on. I'm like, bro, you can't
Bro,
see.
they be people in the
Shit my
club with
room.
glasses on. I don't understand it. Like it bothers me just doing it right now, and I have a bright white light in my face, and I still can't see. So where's Cindy? Where's Cindy at? You trying to come up here or no?
She not coming up here.
You're not coming up. Her paper trading ass.
She knows she not
Paper
coming up. Nah, it looked pretty
trading
legit.
ass, boy.
It looked like an actual
Cindy,
like a.
Cindy, you
Let
want
me
to come
invite
up
her.
to the Big Daddy Morning Show?
Yeah, she
Cindy,
said yes. Ooh,
welcome to the stage. Cindy,
To the
you know the
stage.
show. Camera's on or you got to go, Cindy. Multi-mill wins is her name. Multi-mill wins.
Right.
Okay. Cindy ain't got no camera. She ain't got no audio. We're not starting off good, Cindy. We're not starting off good.
Right. Like what's going on?
Oh,
right
we
now?
got audio and we got camera. Cindy,
Okay, guys, I'm here.
welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. How are you?
What's the
I'm
word?
good. How are you?
We're very good. So, Cindy, what do you got going on? Are you a trader?
I'm just starting out, but yeah, that's my
I
hopes.
see you paper trading SPX. That's really good to do. Are you what strategies are you working? What are you doing to learn right now?
Studying you guys, or studying
Orb is king.
charting, and just trying to take in as much as I can. I've been watching you guys for, I would say, a good month now.
Okay, I know that's right. And you're just
Okay.
learning, taking the process, slowing it down. Good shit. Very nice.
Yeah, so I actually started out, and this is how I kind of got into it. So I started out on crypto, and I like.
Oh, she said. I'm like, what happened? Yeah.
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 Yo, bro, but look, Mac, if she started somewhere and she's getting, it's not about where you start, it's about where you finish, twin. Like you got to give her a break, gang. Like,
yeah, she was very nice. She was very nice. Okay, she was very nice. Whoa, I'm not being a dick. I'm not being a dick here. She was very nice, but she started talking about crypto. Hell no. Nah. You know what I'm saying?
It's acting like he not holding 3 bands worth of crypto.
I'm not.
You sold it?
You gonna be mad as fuck at me, dog.
What'd you do?
You gonna be mad as fuck at me, dog. You know what I did?
Without me, didn't you?
Guess what, dumbass? I figured out how to turn that dumb shit crypto into the real, from the Robinhood wallet into the regular Robinhood wallet. And guess what I'm doing? Guess what I'm doing?
You threw it into SPX?
I'm YOLOing a motherfucking Meta earnings call, 3Gs, $500 call on Meta, 3,000. So take your crypto and shove it up your fat, loose booty hole.
Bro, that's what I was trying to do. I told you send me a screenshot.
I'm YOLOing Meta.
We going half on that or what?
I bought a $500 fucking Meta call for all the way to May 2nd through their earnings call. I ain't fucking playing with no crypto. I'm going to zero.
Max, bro, what's the word? We going half on that?
Yeah, I got you on a little song. I got you on a little song.
I had told you send me a screenshot of your Robinhood so we can get that going. It was either gamble it on blackjack or we could gamble it on a little earning.
We put that. All right, I got this one. All right, if this one hits, you pick the next one.
What? The next person?
No, the next fucking
I don't know.
Come on up, Cindy. Cindy, come back on up, girl.
Come back on stage, Cindy. Come on.
Cindy, come back on up, girl.
Hope you're not crying. It's just love and joke.
She ain't crying, bro. She a grown ass woman.
Right.
She was probably was confused. Cindy was probably confused. Like, what the fuck just happened?
Did the Wi-Fi go out?
Yeah, did my Wi-Fi go out?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you, Cindy.
Okay. So yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I got in that way, but that's not, how I learned how to trade.
You can't learn trading that, by the way. For those that don't know, trading, I'm learning crypto. You can't learn crypto. It's completely there's no
rhyme or
structure.
reason.
There's no structure behind it. There's no earnings reports. There's no nothing. It's just hold it and pray it goes up or down. Like there's nothing about it. For those that
what are you doing?
No, like I said, I just started out, so that was just my entry. But once I realized I wanted to get serious, that's when I kind of got introduced to you guys, and I've been studying.
That's right, baby. Listen, I'm not a fake. Listen, I don't fuck around. I did a coaching session with a guy last night. And he had crypto in his name, and I made him change his fucking name. I made him change his name in the Discord because I said I'm not going to sit here and and coach somebody who's a crypto enthusiast, and he changed his fucking name. So I'm not a fake. Look, foreign trades futures. He was foreign trades crypto. Look, he's foreign trades futures now. Hey, I'm not, and he'll tell you I'm no fake. Behind closed doors, I still shit on it. So no, it's nothing personal ever up here. Remember that, Cindy. Nothing we ever say or do. This is entertainment. We nothing personal. That was all fun. We do it for the reactions, girl. And you could be mad at me. To be honest, if you came up here and just started talking shit to me, that would have been the greatest fucking thing ever. If you were just like, that bitch, don't ever kick me off that stage again, I think everyone would have lost it.
Shut your fat ass up, bro.
Yeah, dumbass bitch, don't ever kick me off a motherfucking stage.
Don't be an friend.
No, it's all good.
Who's that talking in the background?
I appreciate that that's my husband. He's the one who introduced me to you guys.
Oh,
does he come to the morning show?
Yes, he's here every day. Like
what's his name? We probably
he's
seen
doing
him.
an evaluation. He's doing an evaluation right now.
And he's on a prop right now.
Yes.
Okay.
So he's not surprised I kicked you off the stage. He's like, damn, girl, you shouldn't have said that.
Pretty much.
What's your husband's name in the cord?
His name is.
They said he's the one flirting with all the girls.
Oh, I think it's opt-in. Is it opt-in? Oh, it's albino assassin.
Albino assassin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your husband's albino? Get your ass up here.
Get your ass up here, albino assassin.
There he is. Albino assassin. What's going on? You are albino.
Yo,
what's going on?
Discord, I can't turn my camera on. I have no clue.
Oh, don't worry, your wife's right next to you. She can help you.
Yeah, I mean, you guys can go on the same camera.
Okay.
Cindy, why don't you help the man out?
Come over here. You can get on my camera.
There he goes.
MOT.
What's going on?
What's going on, Max? How you doing, Llama?
I'm good. Back your face up, dog. Back your face up.
Right.
There you go.
Right,
What's going on, brother? So you're a fan of the Big Daddy Morning Show?
Yes, sir.
I know that's right. And are you a trader?
Yeah. We're new to trading in 2025. Again, we got in. Started a Schwab account, doing options, paper trade. I did 40K on paper. Put some money in, Charles. I lost. I said, okay, I got to figure this out.
Everybody's done that. Everybody's done that.
I started hearing all the influencers and how slick they talk. I ran across you guys, and it was like a breath of fresh air. You know, you guys are loose. I said, these guys have money. They're
what do you mean by that?
Out game.
What do you mean by
Is it
what do you mean by
loose? Is it because Max can shit in under 2 minutes?
Is it because of how I shit?
Right.
Yeah, loose stool. No, the people, the ones online, they're real. They
Your
try to sound so
personality.
serious.
Right.
They try to sound so serious, like they work for Schwab. You know, hey, I'm the call is at this, that, and the third, and it's so serious. And then I get to you guys, you're so loose, and you're giving out game. I figured out what you're doing, man. What you're doing is allowing folks to trade with you for free, make enough money to get it to you to get the damn course. And I think everyone should do that.
Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game. All right. If I make someone $2,000 and they decide to buy my course and invest in their education, that's someone I want to fuck with anyway. If they do that, if they follow the Max way, pick out the free chicken that Llama and I drop every day, and then they decide to roll those profits into their own education, that's the best compliment I can do for somebody. That is nothing but an autograph. That is nothing but an autograph of excellence for me. And so I'm okay with it. And that's a business model I could be proud of.
I recognize that and I appreciate it. Absolutely.
Hell yeah. And if I can get everybody on that bit, I'm gonna retire. You hear me? No, I'm just
Max, I saw you with a room full of students, training them, paper trading them, giving them everything. Maybe you got a school, maybe they're, maybe it's accredited, maybe it's a trader school. I don't know. I saw that in the future, but
oh hell no, we ain't going that far. We do have big plans. We do have very big plans, but we are not gonna go that far. So my man, have you been helping your wife trade, or you kind of letting her do her own journey?
Oh, no, we're doing this together.
You're doing it together. Yeah, it's a tough gig, but I promise you, if you like, he seems smart. He's digging it out. He's getting that free chicken, and we drop dimes every day. And if you guys pay attention, really pay attention to the charts, to what we're talking about when things are happening, when the trades happen, you guys can get on. I'm telling you, you guys can do it. Anyone can. Literally. The easiest part is just finding that strategy that works and grounding, pounding that thing until it's cemented in your head. The second part of that
literally, I have to like tell him to go to sleep at night because he's up studying like all day. Ever since he's found you guys, like we're locked in. So
you just go hit the cup. I got ORB. I got a bunch of ORB videos on my free YouTube. You just go watch the ORB videos, take your notes, be involved in the community, ask questions, but don't sit here all day. That's rookie shit. Go enjoy your life. The whole point of trading, the whole time of becoming a trader is to open up the time that you can have for the rest of your life.
Absolutely. I likened it to being in class. Hey, I'm training the first 2-3. Maybe I'm doing a lot of training and I'm away from the family. But now I've graduated. I'm taking my eval. This is my final exam. And once I go there, okay, I'm interning. I just kind of liken it to things that I can relate to in that way.
Hell yeah. Good shit.
yeah.
Well, so where you at in the eval? Are you about to pass?
I passed it. Essentially, I cracked 3,000. I'm actually at 5, but they're upping so I stopped trading, and I think tomorrow is my last day, is day 5, and so I'll probably just do like a small trade, take it to like 6,400.
That's TPT?
Yes, sir. I blew the first one. This is my second one, so I feel a lot more
Second one
confident
is
now.
passed.
Congratulations,
Yes,
my
sir.
guy. That's badass.
So, hey, thanks to you guys.
That's
You
big time.
well, Mr. Llama.
Appreciate it, bro.
Good shit.
Appreciate it.
Good shit. Well, you guys seem like a badass couple. We're glad to have you up here, and we're glad that Cindy made the switch. Cindy, keep grinding that paper, and you let us know when you're comfortable on that futures in the ORB game, and maybe we'll get you up here to play the game, Miss Cindy.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
We'll get you up here. I don't think you're quite ready yet. I don't think you're quite ready. You're on paper. I think it would be a missed opportunity. So I don't want to pull the trigger yet, but I feel like keep us up on your progress. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep studying. And your husband's about to pass get on a pro account. That's huge. So keep his ass accountable, Cindy. Go in there and beat his ass if you see him fucking off. You gotta actually hit him. You gotta hit him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't be afraid to just give him a right hook right to the jaw, just like a nice one.
Yeah.
He's on that albino shit. Open the curtains. Open the curtains.
Open the curtains. He'll get off.
Open the curtains. Get him on that sunlight.
Yeah.
No, you guys.
Listen,
You guys
no amount of sun is going to darken this. Trust me.
You guys are great. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being fans of the Big Daddy Morning Show. Thank you for being supporters. And fucking, we will see you guys up here again. We want updates on your account. And when Cindy's ready, she's coming back to play the game.
Absolutely,
right,
Max, Llama. We appreciate you.
We appreciate y'all.
You guys have a great weekend, all right?
Y'all. Get your ass out of my. That was a good couple.
Get your ass off my fucking stage. I love doing that shit. This feels so good. Get your ass off my stage.
There was a pretty fire couple.
Let's bring somebody up, bro. I got an account to give away my butt.
Oh, you got an account to give away my butt?
Yeah. Someone said, can he say the N-word? For sure.
Ooh. Can he?
Yeah.
He can, right?
Of course. If I give the pass, he's good, bro.
Well, what about Deshaun? Deshaun from yesterday, we kicked his ass off
Deshaun.
real quick.
Oh, it was Deshaun, right?
Deshaun, we kept calling him Deshaun.
You
He just said,
calling
can
him
I come back up? And when we kicked him off, he just said one word, dirty. All right, let's bring Deshaun back up. Wasn't his shit
not working, though? Like, why did we kick him again? I don't remember.
I don't know. Let's bring Deshaun back up.
I don't know. I just felt like
he got a question wrong, and you just gave him the boot, or he was boring or something. Deshaun, where you at?
What was it? Why did we kick his ass? I think his Wi-Fi wasn't working.
He's good. There's Sean. What's going on?
What's up, guys?
How are you?
Do you remember why we kicked you?
No talent.
Oh, that's what it was. We were doing a talent show.
A talent show, and you fucking didn't have no talent. You said
right.
And that other motherfucker said I play volleyball.
Right. That was
Everybody can play volleyball.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. That's true.
Crazy. He said, "What's your talent?"
Something about volleyball?
Volleyball.
You know something about volleyball is I used to, back then, when I was younger, like every weekend you'd go play basketball with the bros. We ended up saying we're gonna go play volleyball instead, and it was way more fun than basketball because basketball you can have a skill gap. There's always gonna be that person that just shits on everyone. But in volleyball, I feel like as a guy, you're just naturally good at sport.
Bro,
Plus, it's a team game, so
Max,
it's good to get everybody involved.
I'll crush you in volleyball.
Bro, Max, I'll tell you one thing. I'll beat you in every single
sport.
sport.
What makes you think I'm going to be by the net? I'm
an
the
all-around athlete.
I'm 6'6".
I'm 6'9" with a 46-inch vert.
But you're 500 pounds.
Doesn't matter. I be
bro,
moving,
you're the only person I ever know that could roll your ankle in the sand.
Bro, you rolled your ankle by lifting enough to show us a tattoo. You didn't even take a step and it rolled. Boy almost tore his Achilles.
Look at you, bro. The ball will be in play and you'll be leaning on the net breathing.
Bro, I'm a literal athlete. Literal. I'm good at every single sport.
Bro, you are so fucking bow-legged. Your fucking ankles will be clicking every time you try and go for the ball.
I got nice ankles.
There's no shot, bro. You don't have nice ankles. You got a vitamin D deficiency. We're different, dogs.
Fucked up, bro. That's fucked up. I'm not gonna lie.
My
You gotta
bad,
take
dog.
that
I
one
shouldn't
back.
have come at your vitamin
You
D
gotta
like
take that
that.
back, bro.
No,
that's
my
fucked
bad.
up.
I shouldn't have come at your vitamin D like that.
Alright,
I
shit,
shouldn't have
bro.
come at you. Yeah, no, my bad.
You
But
good, you good, you good, you good.
hey, for real. My bad, bro. My bad.
You good, bro? It was good. It was good. It was
All right, we
good.
good. Well, my bad.
Alright.
Who the fuck is this guy? What are
Yo,
you doing on
what's
our
this guy
stage?
doing here? How did
What
you
are
get
you
on
doing on
stage?
stage? Who the fuck is this guy? Oh,
Is
now I
he
remember
friendly?
why I kicked your fucking ass off the first time, bro. Now I remember why I kicked you off the first time. Jesus Christ. Now I remember. Oh yeah, thanks for the friendly fucking reminder, Deshaun. Jesus Christ.
Yo, that boy said he didn't even blink. That shit was nuts. I think we can buy
Crazy.
here, bro.
Crazy, my boy.
I was looking
Crazy,
kinda
my boy.
crazy.
All right, I'm fitting to go. Let's give away this account. 1 through
Pull
560.
someone
Llama.
random, bro. We can't give an account to someone that we pull up ourselves. That's just always for fun and games, bro. Someone random deserves an account. My boy,
I'm trying to
11
get
twice
someone
thinks he's
random.
getting an account. You're not getting one, Jimmy.
Who? Like, where's Bald
11
Dan?
twice is like, bring me up. I'm still black, bro. We get it.
No, we're past the black. We're moving to Asians.
we're giving it. Now we're fucking with the Oriental.
185. Here we go. 185. Two. Yo, they say that fucking Llama beats me in a foot race.
100%.
That's crazy. No shot.
100%, bro. I'm a literal.
We have to race now. We have to race now. 1, 2, 3.
Bro, we gonna have a fucking ambulance on standby.
You know we have to race now. All right,
We'll
I
do
picked
like
a random
we can do
number,
like
and it was this guy Oscar. This guy
10
Oscar.
meter. We'll do like a 10-meter rate.
Oscar, come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Oscar, bro, there's no shot you beat me in a foot race, Llama. I'm hella quick for like 40 yards. I'm hella quick.
No, 40, bro. 40.
Yeah, like if we do a 40
run like
yard
a quick
dash.
10. Give me like a quick 10 meter.
Oh, you trying to do like one mailbox?
Yo, mailbox. Not even the second mail. We gonna have to do mailbox
Just
to
like
tree.
one.
I'm not even gonna make the next mailbox. We do mailbox to tree.
That's crazy.
Quick shit.
Hello, Oscar. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show.
Okal.
Hey, Max.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How about you?
Very good. What's going on with your camera right now? Are you in a school or something?
Work, laboratory.
Oh, a laboratory. What do you do for work?
Oh wow.
Blood testing, drug testing.
Drug testing. I don't need a test to tell you that I do drugs.
Right.
Well, if your doctor needs it, he's gonna request it.
Yeah, good thing my doctor won't ever need it, player. Oscar, where are you from?
Chicago.
Chicago. And are you a trader?
Yes, just started last month.
Congrats, last month. And are you profitable?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
really.
wow.
What have you been on prop firms or cash or what?
Cash. Started small, so just doing like 50, $100 gains for now.
Futures, options, what?
Options.
Options trading. Okay. Options selling or buying?
Both.
Both. Good for you. Very nice. What kind of equity are you starting with?
I started with $2,000 just to try to get the ball running, see how it goes.
Very nice. Did you study or paper trade or anything before pulling the trigger on your 2000?
I was doing paper trading for a couple of weeks, see how it goes.
Good for you, Oscar. Okay. You got proof of these claims?
Oh man, the buy is buying.
I have a bit. Well, I'm using Thinkorswim, so I have to go through some stuff.
So you could just pull up like a quick, like, on the, are you in trades right now? Because you can see your P&L year to date.
Year to date, check.
Yeah, just post a little screenshot, because you got a lot of haters in the chat right now, and you can shut them up right now.
Shut them up right
You
now.
can
Shut
shut them
all pussies up.
You got a lot of people saying you're capping.
All these hating ass pussies.
Yeah, you got a lot of haters right now, but you could shut them the fuck up real quick, because none of them are profitable. Not one of them are profitable.
Right.
Yeah, you drop a screenshot. You drop a screenshot right now showing them greens.
Fuck.
I just said he wasn't Asian. I don't think he's Asian. His name's Oscar. He's Mexican.
He's Mexican. I think he's like Guatemalan.
No, he's Mexican.
Where are you from? Okal?
I'm born here. My parents are from Puebla.
From where?
Peru.
Puebla.
You said Peru?
Puebla.
Look, it's Puebla.
Pueblo.
Puebla. It's like 2 hours from Mexico City.
Look at this.
Oh,
Wait,
Mexico.
where? Oh, Mexico.
Oh
shit.
Interesting that
He's
you said the
Mexican.
fucking city
Yo,
that
look at
no
this
one's ever
buy,
heard of.
guys.
Instead of just saying fucking Mexico,
God,
you said the
we
fucking
should
city
have
that no
100
one's heard of.
points in 3 minutes, bro.
Oscar Della Kappa. Do you have a screenshot?
Della Kappa.
One of the greatest boxers of all time, Oscar Della Kappa, right here. What the hell just happened in the market?
Loading, bro. I literally was hesitating. The
Loading.
Longer time frame, higher time
Oscar,
frame.
are you busy, or are you unable to provide the details, or what's going on here?
I'm trying to find out how to
Just
upload this
from
picture.
one side of orb to the other side.
Okay, no problem, Oscar. You got time to play the game?
Yes.
You're not a futures trader?
No.
Okay, so it'd be tough for you to play the game, Oscar. It'd be very tough for you to play the game. But I'm waiting for it. We need a screenshot. We got to shut these haters up, Oscar. I want to shut them up with you. We need some proof here. What do you got?
Still going.
How do you put a picture here?
I'm just waiting. I mean, we're waiting, Oscar. And I just think that you're slowing us down right now. Where's it at, Oscar?
This is yesterday's.
Oscar
Yesterday I made
Devil
163.
Oh, here we go. We got a screenshot. Oh, my boy's up shares. He said options. Oh, he's got the 24 up 160. He's up 163 on the day. He's up 163 on the day. Oscar shitting on him. Oscar shitting on him. Very nice. Very cool, Oscar. So you're up $163.50. Now listen, I will play the game with you. And if you get the game right, I will sell you $163.50. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
All right, we're going to play the game. The game, if you're not familiar, Oscar, I'm going to ask you a series of 3 questions, any 3 questions. And if you get them right, you move on to the next stage. If you get all 3 right, you win the prize. Today's prize is $163.50. So are you ready to play?
Yes.
All right, let's go. We are going to start it off now. Oscar, you're not a futures trader. You're an options trader. So we are going to give you some fucking options trading questions, and we will see what your knowledge is. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Why did we just?
All right. First question. How many legs are in an iron condor?
An iron condor.
How many legs are in an iron condor?
Want to say 2 legs?
2 legs. 2 legs. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes. 2 legs.
And there's
2 legs. Llama, what do you think?
Chat is fucked up.
The chat's fucked up.
I don't know.
I
don't know shit about options.
I'm sorry, Oscar, but the correct answer is 4.
Oh,
an iron condor is a 4-legged option strategy. It consists of 2 buys and 2 sells. It is a 4-legged option strategy. It is essentially 2 credit spreads upon opposing sides of the field. 1 put side credit spread and 1 call side credit spread. Oscar.
I just use your orb strategy to trade.
No, don't try and suck me back in with my orb compliments. Don't try and suck me back in with orb compliments. You keep grinding, my man. You're doing the right thing. You're killing it, Oscar, but we're trying to give away a futures account and you did get the game wrong. So I'm sorry. Maybe next time, but as for right now, you lost the game, my friend.
No worries. Good to be on the show, though.
You have a great day. With pleasure to have you, and hopefully we see you again up here.
All right, sounds good. Have a great day.
You too. He tried to suck me off and bring me into orb. Like, oh, I'm just trading your orb strat. He tried to suck me in. I said suck me in. He tried to suck me in. No, I didn't. He tried to suck me in and bring me in with the orb talk, and then that wasn't the vibe. So we need to get someone else.
Yo, did anyone take this buy when I mentioned this can explode? I was hesitating the button. I was playing with my fucking contract size and it ripped on me.
All right, number 76, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an interesting looking bright side FX. Bright side FX. Who the hell is bright side FX? Come on up to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Welcome to the Big Daddy Morning Show. Bright side FX. Somebody just caught a banger, 10,000 in profit on the Apex multi-use. Very nice. Someone caught a banger there. Love seeing 10,000 in profit. 10,000 in profit is no joke. I could have made 20,000 today. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. I wind up with 2 and I cap a perfect week. I'm feeling pretty damn good about it, Llama. I'm feeling pretty good. We're going to give this guy about 10 more seconds and we're going to re-roll 10 more seconds for this guy to come up on stage and then re-roll.
What if we bring on Jamal?
Nope. I rolled 101 already. Hold on. 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 101 is Terry T. Terry T. Come on up. Terry T.
Fake Teb already?
Terry T.
Fake Teb already.
Come on up, Terry. Terry, pick number 1. You're not number 1, Top Blaster. You're number 11 on my screen, dumbass.
He's not even. Oh, he's number 3 on mine. There's been fake Tebs? Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, we had a fake Teb. Where the hell is Terry? Put it in reverse, Terry. Yeah, Terry, put it in reverse. Oh, no, Terry. Oh, no, Terry. Oh, boy. Come on. Another bad number. Jesus. Let's pick another. 68. Smooth Jones. Welcome, Smooth Jones. Now, if this isn't an older cultured gentleman, I will be very upset.
gentlemen.
This doesn't barcode Smooth Jones. I mean, Smooth? Yes, the 80% offer from Apex is 1 day to pass. 1 day to pass and only $50 reset. Smooth Jones. Welcome to the stage, Smooth Jones. If Smooth Jones doesn't fucking come up to stage, I'm gonna freak out. 5 in a row? Come on. Jesus, picking another one. 39. Wow. I got turned down. I'm about to freak the fuck out. Random number generator. Here we go. Number 117. Deborah Raposo. Welcome to the show, Deborah. Where's Deborah? Yeah, is she there for real? Bang. She's so bad. Bad.
Oh, fine. God.
Bad. Bro, another person who's not fucking coming on stage. This is pissing me off, dog.
We say fuck this account giveaway. You're
Bro,
getting
I'm about to start
YOLO stats
I'm
right now.
about to start fucking banning.
7, 0-6.
I'm about to start fucking banning, dog. This is crazy. Someone at Llama, pick a number. Obviously, my numbers are trash as fuck, dog.
27.
47? 1,
27.
2, oh, 27. We got Black Wall Street. Black Wall Street. But it's got a guy on a bike. I have a feeling Black Wall Street is a white.
No, he's not.
Oh, my. This guy is cultured.
Oh.
No, he's not.
Here, take it. My bad. Take it. Here, take it. My bad.
Yours. Have it.
Can you guys hear me?
Hell
we
yeah.
can. Yeah, we
What's
can,
going
brother.
on?
Camera's on, brother.
Hey,
You know the
I
show.
just got
Camera's
out of the
on.
hospital.
You gotta go.
You just got out of what?
I just got out the hospital.
Oh, what's going on, Black Wall Street? First of all, can you turn your camera on?
Let me see if you know what? I don't know how to turn this
They
camera.
said Dr. Umar just joined.
Let me see if I got to turn my camera on.
Who the fuck is Dr. Umar?
Dr. Umar, he's like this black guy that's like black, very
Hey, what's
cultured
going
black.
on, Black Wall Street?
How are you?
We're good, my friend. How is everything all right? You feeling good?
Yeah, I'm feeling much better now.
Very good. Are you a trader?
Yeah,
Hell yeah. How long you been trading for?
about 4 years now.
Very nice. And are you profitable?
I'm in between.
What does that mean?
So, I'll take a trade and then I might lose that trade. Then I'll take a second trade and then I'll win that trade.
No,
So
what I
you're
mean
more
is
like a
like
break
and
even.
over the span of 4 years, have you made more money than you lost, or have you lost
No.
more money than you made?
I've lost more money than I made, but I've been following you guys and I'm making more money.
I know that's right. I love to hear that. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about, Black Wall Street. So you like to ride bikes? You a rider?
I've raced in Italy. I've been racing for the last 15 years in Italy. I just came back
Professionally?
from, I'm sorry?
Professional.
Yes.
Hell yeah. Italy, what part?
So Mugello, the racetrack Mugello.
Nice.
Okay, what city is that near?
That's I believe in Florence, like not too
In
far
Florence
from
and Firenze?
Pretty nice.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you're out there in Firenze, living the good life, professional bike racer. That's pretty. Do you have a bike nearby that we could see?
My Ducati is at my house. I'm at my condo right now.
Damn, this
Oh, you
guy's
got a
rich.
house and a condo.
And a
You're rich.
Ducati.
Is that because you got a second family?
No, I have one family. Can you see the boats where I live at?
Yeah. Wow.
Idiot.
Where do you where do you
crazy.
live at?
In Pennsylvania.
Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, you're fucking killing life, my guy, Black Wall Street. What are you trading futures?
Yeah,
Very nice. And what are you trading right now currently?
SPX.
SPX, and then you're trading NQ using SPX?
I've never traded NQ before. I've been wanting to, but just SPX at the moment.
How you trading SPX futures? You mean ES?
Yes.
Who the fuck is this?
Deborah,
Who's
you
Deborah?
had her earlier.
Bye.
No, hell no,
Deborah.
Deborah. We called your ass about 10 minutes ago. Hold on, turn your
Hi.
camera on.
Okay,
Yeah,
hold on.
1 second, Black Wall Street. I apologize for Deborah's extremely rude interruption. She comes busting in here. Deborah, we called
I'm
you like
sorry.
10 times.
I know I was putting my baby down. I'm sorry.
Okay, I understand exactly how that feels. It's tough to put the baby down. It is tough.
Yeah, yes.
All right. Well, now we got 2 people up here. She's got a valid excuse. We're fucking with Black Wall Street's interview right now, Deborah. So here's what I'm gonna do, Deborah. I'm gonna kick your ass off my stage and we'll bring you back, okay? Stand by.
Okay.
So my boy, you're doing pretty good. How old are you? You look like you're like probably like 40, 48.
No, I'm 60.
Oh, damn. Well, you know that they say.
Black don't crack.
What's the phrase? You know what they say.
Black don't
Black
crack.
don't
You know the
crack.
phrase.
I know that's right. Hey, listen, I'm gonna ask you some. Are you married? Single?
I'm married.
Oh, you are married?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Moni, you can just ignore the invitation I just sent you to come up there, Moni. I was gonna invite you. You could just ignore that one, girl. He's married. We'll try again. Very nice. And so you say you're from you said Philly?
I'm Philly, yes. The Philly
Okay.
cheesesteak.
Are you a Birds fan?
No, I'm a 49ers fan.
Ooh, Cardinals sin being from Philly. Very Very nice. Are you still riding?
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I leave in about 3 weeks to go to Spain.
Spain to go race professionally?
Yes.
That's some badass shit. You a real bad man.
The Rio General.
That's really dope. And what? I mean, so you've been racing professionally for a career, or is that like a side thing, that just a hobby, or is that like
Well,
your?
it's during the summertime, so they pay me to come out there and race for the team out there. I'm probably one of the oldest guys that's out there. They thought I was like 30, 35, 40, but I've been riding for so
I thought
long.
so too.
That,
Yeah, you could just shave and lie. You could just shave your face. You know, you could dye your beard black right now and tell me you're 35. I believe it.
yeah, a lot of people think I'm pretty fit.
Yeah, are you pretty fit? Let me see some. Let me see the guns. Let me see what you rocking with. Shit, damn, 60.
60.
I know that's right. You you take care of yourself, or is that just
Very much
like
so.
the racing is just very strenuous on the body?
Yeah, a couple of years ago, about 3 years ago, I had pancreatic cancer, so I was off for a little bit, but I recovered pretty quick.
You survived pancreatic cancer?
Yes.
Congrats. We're glad to have you here. That is a fucking victory, my guy. Holy
Yes, it is.
shit.
Very much so.
What do you think the main reason for your outcome was?
Being fit. All my life, I worked out, and I thought about that years ago. I worked out all my life, so my body had the muscle memory to recover, and it knew what it needed to do.
That's a beautiful fucking point. That's a fucking take that most people would not go to, and I think you're spot on. I think it has to do something, right? I think how you treat your body like a temple, and the temple treats you good back.
Right. I don't eat meat. I never smoke. I never drink. So that played a lot for my cure.
Never ate meat.
No.
Not like a ribeye.
No.
Filet mignon.
No.
Rack of lamb.
No, I might have had a piece of lamb, like regular
Okay. Damn. Very nice. Wow, you're a fucking badass, my man. You're a fucking badass. Working out, professional racer, trading, house, condo, badass. Going to Europe, living a good life. Yeah. How many ladies is your wife around?
Oh no, I mean, even if she's around, I only have one lady. That's it. That's all I can afford, and that's all I can have.
Afford is one thing, but when you out there in Italy,
oh, she's with me most of the time. She'll go with me.
Oh, she goes with you.
Yeah, she goes with me.
And you like having your wife around.
Oh, I love having my wife around.
This is the realest dude I've ever. This is one of the realest men. You're a man. No one can take away from you. You know what you are? You're just a fucking man. You know what we need you. You should be like a motivational speaker. You should be out here preaching to all these fucking boys, these soft ass 18-year-old self-entitled words hurt my feelings. You need to be out here fucking preaching to these kids that don't have the mindset as you, Black Wall Street. They don't have the mindset as you. You're a fucking man, baby.
See, the reason me and my wife get along so much because she had ovarian cancer. So we're kind of like the couple B.
Gee, did you meet your wife during treatment or prior to?
Prior to.
Wow. And you both survived?
Both survived, yes.
Is your wife into fitness too?
Yes.
Wow. Holy shit. You guys, hey, you got the fucking secret, my man. You fucking got the secret of something. You're fortunate, or you're the hardest working man I've ever fucking met.
Kind of both.
Both, right? It's a mixture. If you had to give some advice to some of the younger generation right now, what would your advice be?
Find a figure that you can. A lot of these kids don't have father figures, so they really need mentors to kind of like help them along. Most of the families are kind of broken. Kids don't know where they want to go at. They don't know what to do. Like when I grew up, kids were kids today. They weren't carrying guns. If you got into a fight, it was a fist fight. That was it. Next day, you're back with your friends. Y'all hanging out. You're doing whatever. These kids today, they don't think about consequences. They live for today instead of living for tomorrow. So these kids, they need a lot of help.
Absolutely agree. I can't agree more. I think you could see it yourself. I think a masculine figure in a child development is very important. I think that's very important in a kid's life. And I think I could see it as well with children. I think fucking parents should be blamed for a lot more than they get off with. Parents get off easy. Parents get off real fucking easy in this country. And to be honest, I don't think it should be that way, because the way you bring someone up, I think the greatest thing you can do in this life, if you have children, is to make a successful child. If you have a child who's a wonderful product of good society and a good person, then you've done the best fucking thing you could do in this life. And that is unreal. I mean, you absolutely. I
actually grew up with one parent, which was my mother. Matter of fact, she was one of the founders of the Million Women March, who started at my mom's house, the Million Women March. I have all the posters. I have everything. Passed away of cancer some years ago, but I've been around her all my life, but she kind of instilled in me like about women, what women want, what women need. You know, I kind of took care of my brothers growing up, so I mean, I had a good life.
Right. You
I
still
wasn't
have a
carrying
good
around.
life. Shit. You got a long way to go. You got
Yes,
a long
very
way.
long way.
You basically got a whole nother life to live.
Yes.
You look like you're fucking 35.
Well, I get that a lot.
Unbelievable. You
When
have
I
an
go racing,
unbelievable
most of the
story.
kids, when I'm racing, most of the kids there in their 25s and their 30s, they all thought I was around their age until I had to show them my driver's license.
It's amazing. You have a wonderful story of triumph, of overcoming such adversity and fucking advocation for your communities and everything. It's a fucking awesome story you got, dude. And you're jacked. Fucking MAN. I mean, you're fucking badass, dude.
All right, this guy's serious.
You
business.
fucking bad. You ever thought about possibly like writing a book or telling your stories or?
Yeah. I'm actually putting together some stuff with one of my nieces, like kind of my story of life about the awareness of cancer and things that I've been through in life, because, you know, I've been through a lot in my life. So I want to actually put it down in a small pamphlet, you know, just kind of like let some people know what was going on and what they can actually do to make themselves better.
Right. Right. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, you're fucking sweet. So you're trading right now. You trade prop accounts?
No, I don't have a prop account. I've been wanting to try the prop account, wasn't sure really how to do. So I maybe in the near future, maybe try to do a prop account, because I'm actually upping my account. So I started a challenge for myself. I started at 10,000, and within 2 weeks I took it to 19,000.
Nice.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
my-
And you're
my
doing that with
daily-
your own cash account?
my own cash account. And you know, once I make anywhere from $300 to $500, if I go over that, and then I'm done for the day.
Very nice. You're very fucking solid. Very disciplined. Very good. What strategy are you trading?
So I'm kind of like you guys. I kind of trade off of I'm learning more of the candlesticks, learning how to read them, looking for price action. So I try not to use any indicators or anything. I'm just learning how to read all the wicks that I look at.
It's the basics of trading. People
Exactly.
love to overcomplicate it, but if you keep it simple, you can do exactly what I do the Max way all day, every day. It's so easy. People love to overcomplicate this shit, reinvent the wheel 50 times over, try and sound fancy, but it's all bullshit, all noise.
I always say to myself, if we don't have indicators, then you have to learn how to read candlesticks. That's why I want to learn more reading candles.
Right, absolutely. Let me ask you this. Are you on the Big Daddy Morning Show a lot?
Every morning, yeah.
Every morning?
Yep, every morning.
Well, here's what I want to do. Here's what I want to do. I think Llama. I don't think we're gonna. Who the fuck is this guy? Llama. I don't think. Get him out of here. Llama. I don't think. What are you gonna give him a 50? What are you gonna do, a 50?
Yeah, what I got.
I think this guy is a perfect fit for what we need, something that we're missing. I think we need someone who we can bring up and fucking preach to the young men in this Discord
and preach
and show them what it's like to be a fucking man. And I think I would like to make you our brand new fan favorite on the fucking Big Daddy Morning Show. If you're all right, I want to make Black Wall Street. I want to upgrade you right now. I think I'm going to make you a fan favorite right here on the fucking Max Options Trading Discord. And a 50K account isn't going to do. We're going to bump that up to $400. I'm going to give you 150K TPT account, Black Wall Street, because I think you're the fucking man. I think your story is unbelievable. And I think right here we go. Bang. Fan favorite. I think you need a 150K account to pair with that badass fucking story. And I think you need to become a fan favorite to just say thank you for that fucking being a supporter. And because you are an MA motherfucking N, baby. And we need more people like you. We need more people like you. It's the truth.
I definitely appreciate it. I'm with you guys every morning watching you guys. I watch all your videos. I watch when you can critique all the different traders out there. I'm definitely with you guys.
And we're with you now, baby. So listen, we want some progress reports. We want to see you succeed, get funded, enjoy your races. We want it all.
Yes, I'll send you all my guys. Matter of fact, there's a story. When I first went to Italy, I never raced at the Magellan racetrack, and I took first place.
Wow.
First place,
you're able to test out the track though, right?
Yes. I was able to get on track and test the track out, and I came in first place.
Damn, you got a winning record and all that shit. If we were to look you up, do you have like socials or something like that with your racing and everything?
Yep. So I have a
plug your social.
Let me see if I know how to do that. My daughter kind of did stuff for me.
He's about to pull out a Rolodex.
Let me see. Do it. I'll have to have my daughter kind of do it for me. She does all that stuff for me. I'm not that.
No, that's no problem. And when you get in touch with her, tell her plug your socials to Big Daddy Max on your Instagram or your social. And we'll plug your socials so people can follow along in your journey.
Oh, I definitely will.
Hell yeah, absolutely.
Amazing.
Well, we appreciate you. Open a support ticket. Mods, get this man a support ticket, and then your account will be there on Monday because of closures and everything. So let's get that support ticket. Congratulations and welcome our new fan favorite, our boy Black Wall Street, the professional fucking bike rider, worldwide, cancer surviving, badass motherfucking MAN, baby. Give it up. W's in the chat for our man.
Thank you. I really appreciate you guys.
We appreciate you, brother. You have a great
good
weekend.
work you guys are doing.
That's what we're trying. We're just trying to be like you.
Right. Trying to be like,
okay.
Trying to be a real man.
Take care. You have a great weekend.
You too.
What a fucking badass dude, bro.
Yeah, that was
Damn.
serious business.
That was such a badass. Such a badass. Yeah. Get that guy's support ticket open. Yeah, mods, help him. Yeah, we said he's a white, and he said, "Oh hell no, I'm not." That's how the interview started. He said, "Oh hell no."
Right.
That guy's a badass, bro. Double cancer survivor, him and his wife, like,
Crazy,
and then he said, "I want to travel the world with my wife. That's my best friend." He resonated everything that masculinity should be. Literally. He's the embodiment of what a fucking man is. Takes care of himself, takes care of his body, takes care of his lady, takes care of his fam, like, travel. I mean, he's everything, bro. That guy was everything. I want to be like him, to be honest. I strive to be like that when I'm 60. Seriously, I strive to be like that when I'm 60, Llama. That was badass.
I'm not gonna lie, very
That was
impressive.
badass. Who was that hoe that jumped up on stage when we were interviewing him?
Oh no, she was one of the numbers. Two of the numbers came up late.
Someone tag her. It was Deborah?
I still got a itty.
She's gone. She's not here no more. She's gone. Deborah, are you in the crowd, Deborah? Debbie? Had to put a little baby down. I know what that's like. That's tough. So that's tough. Well, I think we did it again. I think this is how we close out the week, ladies and gentlemen. I'm feeling good. I hit some fucking bangers today. I scaled down on some micros like a little lady, but you know what? It worked out. I had a great day, super stress-free, killed it, 2,000 on the day. Unbelievable interview with our boy Black Wall Street. Dude's a fucking monster, and I'm feeling good now. He made me feel good, Llama. That guy made me feel good.
Yeah, it was serious business, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes, we trade on Fridays. We love trading on Fridays, but the market's closed tomorrow, player. He made me feel good, bro. That's a feel-good story. My guy is a survivor, and he's just a fucking badass, bro. And I'm feeling good. I want to go hang out with my wife and my baby, to be honest. And I'm done sitting here. So, there's one more thing. Everything we do is not for educational purposes. Nothing we do is financial advice. NFA, we are not financial advisors. We are filming the Big Daddy Morning Show for entertainment purposes only. And please enjoy the free Discord. We have the trading bots. We have the futures trading watch list, economic data. If you want to trade like Max, we have 2 free indicators and 2 paid indicators. The ORB ones snap today. Check out the ORB indicators. Don't forget to check out Futures 1 and the Futures courses. If you really want to trade like me and Llama, we have a 3-day weekend. There's no better time to invest in your education than right now. Take the weekend to learn, grow, and join the private communities that we have. We also have the beginner boot camp, guys. The beginner boot camp is starting in like 2 weeks. We are going to help you, including myself, all of us at Max Options Trading. We are going to take all the dumbest, simplest, easiest questions you have and bring you up to a level of understanding where you can grow as a trader. So if you haven't signed up for the beginner fucking boot camp and you are a beginner, you need to get on that. Get on the beginner boot camp. Appreciate all of our students. Big Daddy Darth Trades, absolute monster. Futures 1 students, the Q&A that Llama and I did in the last week, we absolutely crushed it. MOT alerts, don't forget, free alerts from Sharky, Jake, and Sean. Sean the GOAT. We got to get Sean on the show here soon. Guy is an absolute monster. And Jake as well, Shark as well. We are killing it, guys. We had enjoyed the free alerts. And don't forget, tip your staff. Tip the staff. Buy them a cup of coffee. They work for free. Just tip them whatever, $5, $10. Who cares? Buy them a cup of coffee, guys. And then, as always, the only thing we ask for is that you support us through our partner promos. If you're gonna buy prop firms, use code BDM. If you're gonna buy prop firms, use code BDM. And on Take Profit Trader, don't forget to hit that code TPT for P2P. My boy P2P. Let me finish, cuz I had the thing rolling. Don't forget on TPT for my boy P2P. Code P2P on TPT. Damn, cuz I interrupt my sermon, dog. We appreciate you all. my sermon. I don't know. We appreciate you all. Thank you guys for joining the Big Daddy Morning Show. We're currently 62-2. 62-2, Llama. 62-2 live. And we showed the profits. Showed the profits. I was even transparent about being on fucking micros today. So no one can say that we ain't faking this shit. I get sick of that. 51,670 in giveaways. Nobody is doing that. Nobody's even close to doing what we're doing on the giveaways. 51,670. Big Daddy Max and Llama, the Max way. We're changing the fucking game. We're shifting the fucking field. Don't be bad friends. Tell your friends to come join the Max Options Trading Discord. Tell your friends to come join Max Options Trading. We have big things happening in the next 2 weeks, a lot of announcements and a lot of changes, and one of them may involve a brand new show coming soon. A brand new show coming soon. That's not me and Llama. That's not me and Llama. So a brand new show coming soon. I hope you guys enjoy. We love you. We appreciate you. We are nothing without all of our supporters. Don't forget to follow all of the social media. Follow all the social media. Like, comment, subscribe. Let the world know that the Max way is the only motherfucking way, and we're taking over, baby. We're taking over, and we're all trying to just be like Black Wall Street when we're 60. That's the fucking goal, baby. Llama?
Black Wall Street was inspirational, bro. Honestly, guys, great fucking week. Honestly, great week. It was very, very roller coaster this week. A lot of ups, a lot of downs. Still ended every day relative, very green some days, and then light green other days. But that doesn't matter, guys. Consistency is what is key, guys. 3-day weekend. Everyone go enjoy your fucking weekends, guys. If you do want to take advantage and learn the 3-day weekend, like I said and Max said, we have courses available. Max has his Mastermind course if you want to learn just the Max strategy, and the Futures One course has a little bit of both of us in there with a bunch of crazy guests, and we still add videos to it, psychology videos that we run weekly. Well, everything is going copacetic kosher. It's another week in the books, Max. Very content, guys. Make sure to go check out the YouTube, Max YouTube. A lot of heat getting thrown on there daily. And yeah, guys, go enjoy your fucking weekend. I'm gonna get out of here.
Have a great motherfucking 3-day weekend. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. We appreciate you all. Llama, try not to eat too much. Fat ass bitch.